What would you do if the bank accidentally deposited $50 billion into your personal bank account? Well, that's exactly what happened to a Louisiana couple. Darren James and his wife looked into their bank account to check their balance, and to their shock and disbelief, the bank had deposited $50 billion into their account. Mr. James explained that he didn't know where it came from, and he immediately contacted the bank to find out why it had been deposited. He was told that it was an error. It took the bank 4 days to clear up this error, but for those 4 days, the Jameses were some of the richest people in the United States. Legally, when a bank error such as this happens, most states will consider it criminal theft or receiving of stolen property to keep the money and can prosecute it criminally. For example, in February, Charles Schwab erroneously deposited $1.2 million into the account of Kellen Spadoni. She transferred the money into another account, and the police arrested her in April for fraud and theft charges. Some states like New York have a limited exception for situations where the receiving party genuinely believed that it was entitled to the money. It's called the discharge for value defense. In the case of James and Spadoni, there was no chance that they could ever believe that the money was properly deposited. However, Citibank is embroiled in a civil lawsuit because of that very exception. It mistakenly deposited $500 million in accounts for Revlon's lenders and wants it back. A court in February held that Citibank was out of luck because the lenders believed that it was simply a prepayment of the loan that existed. Finally, the last question to ask is, who are the employees that made such large transfers, and do they still have their jobs?